Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 152. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here. So that means this is our 3, and that 2 makes this our 9 and 2. We look at this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. The 1 is covering these two boxes, so it has to be here. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 3, 8, and 9. I don't see any help here. 3, 8, 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here. That makes this our 8, and that 9 makes this our 3 and 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 6. For this column then, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 there. So 8, 9, a 9 there. So 5, 8, and a 9 here. So 5, 8, and that means our 9 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 there. So 5, 8, 5 and 8 there. So this is our 3, and then no help here, so 5, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so 7, a 1 here, so 2 and 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 covering here, so 5, 7, 5, 7. That means that our 4 has to be here. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got the 7 and 9 here. So this is our 8. And 9 here. So 7, 9. For this row then, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 7. For this bottom row, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. That 8 makes this our 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 8, 5, 8. This 5 makes this our 7 and 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 5. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. This column, we're missing 4 and 8. But we've got an 8 here. So 4, that makes this our 8 and 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here. So 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 9 and 3. For this top row then, looks like we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 8, 9. And to finish off this box, we've got 1 and 7. There's a 1 here. So 7 and 1. And there we have today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.